Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out IRS Form 1099 NEC, which stands for Non-Employee Compensation. So this form is used to report payments made to people who are not employees like freelancers or independent contractors. It's very helpful also because it keeps everything properly reported for tax purposes and make sure that both sides have a clear record of the income. So to begin here, open the PDF version of the form on your screen so that you can clearly see each section while following along. Starting at the top left, enter the payer's details. So this includes the name, address, phone number, and taxpayer identification number. So right next to that, you'll see the space for the recipient's information. So fill in their name, address, and taxpayer identification number, and make sure that all of these matches their official records to avoid any issues later. So once that's done, move your attention to the numbered boxes on the right side. So in box 1, enter the total paid for non-employee services. This is usually the main part of the form, so double check the number before moving on. If there was any federal income tax withheld, you'll enter that in box 4. So as you go further down, you may see additional boxes related to state taxes. If state tax was withheld, complete those sections by entering the correct amounts and state information. And if not, you can leave those blank. And there's also a small section for an account number, but this is optional and only used if needed for tracking. So the rest of the form should only be filled out if it applies. So don't worry about the sections that don't relate to the situation. Before finishing everything up, take a moment to review everything, check the names, numbers, and amounts carefully to make sure that there are no mistakes. And when you're done, the form is ready to be submitted or shared as required. And while recording, keep the PDF visible and use your mouse to point at each section so that it is easy to follow. And that's the simple walkthrough of how to fill out IRS Form 1099 NEC. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.